Life's a journey, and we're all on the road, carrying our burdens. Heavy is the load, but the music lifts us, takes the weight away. In the rhythm of the night, we find a brighter day. Let the reggae flow, let the jazz take flight. Feel the dub vibrations shining through the night. A song for the weary, a tune for the strong. Onjalo brings the vibe where we all belong. Every note's a blessing, every beat's a prayer. It reminds us we're alive, even in despair. From the streets to the stars, it calls out your name. On Jalo's rhythm, soothing every pain. Let the reggae flow, let the jazz take flight. Feel the dove vibrations shining through the night. A song for the weary, a tune for the strong. Onjalo brings the vibe where we all belong. Let the reggae flow, let the jazz take flight. Feel the dove vibrations shining through the night. A song for the weary, a tune for the strong. Onjalo brings the vibe where we all belong. Close your eyes, let the rhythm guide. Feel the warmth of the sound deep inside. Together we rise like a wave on the sea. Onjalo sound sets the spirit free. Onjalo, Onjalo, Onjalo. No, 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 no. See, that's the meaning. So when the world feels heavy and you're lost in the storm, let the melody embrace you, keep your heart warm. With reggae and jazz, let the dub waves roll. Onjalo writes the music of the soul.